In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to multiply numbers in Excel. Let's get started by opening Excel. If you already have a worksheet with values, great. If not, you can type a few numbers into two cells so you have something to work with. In Excel, the multiplication operator is the asterisk, also called the star symbol. This is the same symbol you'll find on your keyboard, often above the number 8 on the main keys and on the numeric keypad if your keyboard has one. To multiply two values, you'll write a simple formula. Click into the cell where you want the result to appear. Then start by typing an equal sign. The equal sign tells Excel you're entering a formula, not just text. Next, select the first cell that contains a number you want to multiply. You can click it with your mouse or type its cell reference if you prefer. After that, type the asterisk, which stands for multiplication. Then select the second cell that contains the other number. When your formula looks like something along the lines of equals A1B1, press Enter. Excel will instantly calculate the product and display the result in the cell you chose. You'll notice the result shows in the cell, while the actual formula appears in the formula bar at the top. That's helpful if you ever want to double-check how the result was calculated. A great benefit of using cell references is that your result updates automatically. If you change either of the original values, Excel will recalculate the multiplication for you as soon as you press Enter. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure the cells you're multiplying contain numbers, not text. If Excel treats something like text, it won't calculate properly. If your keyboard doesn't clearly show the asterisk, remember it's usually Shift plus 8 on the main keys. You can multiply whole numbers, decimals, or even negative numbers using the same formula. If you're clicking cells, take a moment to confirm you selected the correct ones before pressing Enter. And if you ever make a mistake, you can click back into the formula, fix the cell reference or the operator, and press Enter again. That's all there is to it. Open Excel, type the equal sign, select your first value, enter the asterisk, select your second value, and press Enter to see the product. With this simple approach, you'll be multiplying values accurately and efficiently in no time.